What sound does a cow make? Whoop, quack, moo, meow.
Time's up.
Moo. What color is a stop sign? Green, red, yellow, blue.
Time's up.
Red. Which of these is a vehicle? Car, apple, chair, table.
Time's up.
Car. What do we call a baby sheep? Puppy, kitten, calf, lamb.
Time's up.
Lamb. What color is a lemon? Orange, green, yellow, brown.
Time's up.
Yellow. What animal is known for its long trunk? Giraffe, elephant, tiger, lion.
Time's up.
Elephant. Which one of these is a fruit? Cucumber, carrot, potato, banana.
Time's up.
Banana. What color is a polar bear? Black, white, grey, brown.
Time's up.
White. What do you call the round fruit that is often red or green? Apple, banana, grapes, orange.
Time's up.
Apple. Which animal is known for its stripes? Elephant, bear, zebra, giraffe.
Time's up.
Zebra. What color are ripe strawberries? Blue, red, purple, orange.
Time's up.
Red. What shape is a pizza slice? Triangle, square, rectangle, circle.
Time's up.
Triangle. Which of these is a pet? Elephant, horse, lion, fish.
Time's up.
Fish. What do you put on your head to stay warm? Hat, shoes, gloves, scarf.
Time's up.
Hat. What do we call a flower that is usually yellow and grows in the garden? Rose, tulip, daffodil, daisy.
Time's up.
Daffodil. What do you use to brush your teeth? Fork, knife, spoon, toothbrush,
Time's up.
toothbrush. What do you call the sound a frog makes? Meow, ribbit, ba, quack.
Time's up.
Ribbit. What do you wear on your hands to keep them warm? Gloves, hat, socks, shoes.
Time's up.
Gloves.
Thanks for watching our quiz video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share.